Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to do quiz number 9. So let's jump into this. Sorry for the light. I thought I'd put a little bit more light to make it brighter for you guys. So just bypass the light, guys. So quiz number 9. Which parameter has the greatest influence on the weld line strength in injection molding? Is it A, holding pressure, B, injection speed, C, mold temperature, or D, cooling time? Okay, and then think about this. A weld line represents an optical as well a mechanical defect in molded part. Okay, a weld line typically appears in the area where the polymer flow comes together during the injection process. So think about it. If you have like a boss or you have a pin or anything like that and the material flows around that, sometimes it leaves like a little line on the other side of that. So think about that. If you know the answer to this, please comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you know this answer at all, I would really appreciate it. But let me know. Comment down here. Please like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. It helps the channel out. It helps others find the channel. Again, I will have the answer to this later this week on Friday. Thank you, guys. Till next time, peace.